Hi, my name is Bob Linde. I'm an acupuncturist and herbalist in St. Petersburg, Florida. Today I'm going to talk to you about some herbal remedies that you can use in case you have pinworms. There's a number of different materials that we can use in order to do this. The first thing you want to do is get a cutting board and a good sharp knife, fresh garlic, 0 or 00 capsules in order to put the garlic in it, since raw garlic is a little hard for most people to taste. We can also use things like black walnut hulls. We can also use some parsley. All of those are effective add-ins, but primarily we want the garlic, we want the capsules in order to put that in there, in order to get an effective treatment for pinworms. So the first thing that we want to do is go ahead and chop our garlic very finely, and rather than using a fancy encapsulation machine, we're actually going to use the capsules by ourselves and just do it by hand. So after we've finely chopped our garlic, we're going to go ahead and separate our capsules, push the garlic into the larger end of the capsule, and then put the cap back on it. We want to go ahead and do, depending on the size and age of the person you're treating, anywhere from 3 to 6 capsules of garlic. Once we've done that, we can go ahead and before a meal, take those capsules. And we want to continue to do that until all signs of the pinworms are gone. It's important, though, that if you're going to treat pinworms, that you ensure that it is pinworms, and that if you don't get success within a week, that you make sure that you go ahead and seek out professional medical help, either from a very well-trained herbalist or from a medical professional. It's also important to make sure that all of the bedding and anything that they touch is also cleaned thoroughly, since the pinworms can reside in the bed and the clothes and the underwear of anyone who has it. And because one of the symptoms of pinworms is a lot of anal itching, oftentimes it's associated with young children. If you clip their nails very short, they're less likely to get any of the pinworm eggs underneath their fingernails, which will continue the life cycle in those pinworms. So remember, clean hands, clean bedding, clean clothes, and at least use the garlic fresh and before meals. And you can also add in things like black walnut as well as parsley, and that can be done fresh or added into capsules or in other formats. If you don't get success within a week, make sure that you seek out professional help. So please, you can find so many of your herbs in your local grocery store and enjoy your herbs.